Hey guys, Mark, American Suspension, 2024 newer Road Glide. Just going to go over real quick how you take your fairing off if you don't. It's a little different than the last year's. There's 4 screws here for the windshield, and it'll lift off. Then this piece here, this front trim piece, it clips in, so you just pop it out. Be careful, it's got clips. You don't want to break it, but one on each side. Then there's 4 screws. This piece here will come off. 3 screws. So this piece will come up and off. And then there's a screw here on each side. And then you're going to have to pull your speaker grill off. There's a screw right there. And then there's a screw here and one here on each side. So you have that over here, and a screw, 2 and 3. And then you can come to the front, grab it like this, grab it up in here, and it'll just pull off and remove, just like that. All right guys, thanks. Mark, American Suspension. Next step, you're going to need to remove the headlight, because we're going to remove the inner fairing now. It'll come off as pretty much an assembly. There's a support bracket. There's a hex head bolt here on each side. Remove those. There's going to be your headlight. So there's 2 on the bottom, 2, and they're hex heads, or I mean star. They're star T. It's a what is it? T30. And then there's 2 up here, 1 here, 1 here, and then there's 2 back here. There's 1 down in there, and there's 1 down in there. I've already removed them. Then you can just grab the headlight. It'll come out straight out, and then it's got one plug. Just unplug it, then you remove it. Okay, and then we're gonna get on to removing the inner fairing. Okay, back on the 2024 and newer Road Glide fairing. So this is pretty straightforward. We've taken off the outer fairing, taken out the headlight. There's two terminals. They're right up here, and you pull them through this little slot. You get them into the center. Then your headlight wire. There's 2 little holders, so you got to disconnect those, and then this wire is going to pull out through the middle. All right, then you're going to tuck these wires up in here into the opening, and then you can kind of leave the headlight one out. And then there's 4 hex screws right here. They screw right in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you remove those. Everything will stay in place. It's got a bracket to hold it in place. And then you're basically gonna just lift it up. Lift it up and off of this bracket in there. And you're just gonna pull the wires through. Sorry for the camera. And then just sit it on the ground, and that's it. So now you've got the fairing off. All right, and if you want to go to put it back on, it has 2. It slits into here. You put your wires back in, and that's it. It's pretty simple. And now you're ready to work with your trees and do your tree kit or air ride or whatever you're messing with. Okay, thanks guys. Mark, American Suspension.